What's up guys, Jefferson here, and in this video we're actually doing a quick unboxing and initial impression. So this right here is a Zimablue car cover. Fortunately, I've had nothing but great things with all the product lines, and we're actually gonna continue that trend in today's video. So right now, just got it out of the box. Let's open it up and actually see. So I've never owned a car cover before. So this will be my very first car cover. Not sure what to expect. All right, so comes with a carrying case. That's super nice. This is going to be perfect for those days when I just finished washing my car and I don't want it to get dirty. There's unfortunately a lot of birds near my area, and you know, it's going to suck if they poop on your freshly washed car. So the reason why I got this is it's specifically made for the Tesla Model 3. Let's put this aside. And it has a lot of openings, so you're able to specifically keep this on, open up the trunk, the charge port, which is really nice. So this appears to be made out of like a reflective material. Already it's super thick. Wow. It's already getting crazy big for my camera. This is insane. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, that's crazy. So, at least looking at the pictures, you have zippers right here and you're able to easily zip and unzip. This is really cool. So these are all my initial impressions. It has a little liner in here to keep it rain resistant. So you're able to still easily access the doors, charge ports. It also has like reflective areas on certain portions. This one appears to be probably the trunk. Hey, you know what? Let's head to my garage and put it on. Kind of give it a better and thorough initial impression. All right, so we are in my garage. It looks like this will be in the front. Kind of have like a little grill area. So that's where I'm going to be orienting this. The inside also has kind of like a felt-like material. That way you don't scratch your paint, which is really nice. Nice. So this part is really cool. You have your side mirror inserts. My mirrors are currently covered, but let me see if I could kind of get it in here. Yep, no issues even when they are folded in. Let's do the other side. I'm definitely not struggling at all when installing this. Super nice. So this is one of the reasons why I got this specific car cover, is that you're able to easily, I'm able to even use one hand, which is really nice. Still able to access the charge cover, which is really nice. You're able to go like that if you want to cover it. I probably wouldn't really close it right here. I would just leave it like that, so that way I'm not applying a lot of pressure on my charge port cover. Here's the other reason. You're able to also still be able to access the trunk which is really nice. There you go. So that was not bad at all. It did lift a little bit, but not bad whatsoever. So still get access right here. Close it. Just make sure nothing is nice. You just close it up. Oh, piece of go. Oh, yep. So just be very careful because it will get caught. But it's super easy to zip and unzip. I love it. And of course, just like the trunk, you still have full access of the driver's side. If you did need to still access your car, which is phenomenal. I love that. Oh, there you go. And then just like the trunk, you do have flaps right here, so that way it creates like a overlap. I nearly forgot to mention that this has a D-ring hook on the bottom next to the driver's side and also on the passenger side. And that you could actually use it to, if you wanted to just strap it in to keep it tighter so that way it doesn't fall out, you can. So you have this right here to just help strap it all down if you need it. But it also comes with like it's cheap, but it's nice that it actually comes included with it. I didn't realize this until I was putting it all away, the boxes. It was inside there. So this is a combination lock. So if you wanted to not lose this and have someone steal it, you can lock this, which is really freaking awesome on how that was included. All right, guys, so besides me sweating in my garage, it's really warm and hot right now. However, my initial impression of this car cover, I really like it. So you have all the necessary access, trunk, charge port, the driver's side door, which is really nice. It also has little pockets for your side mirrors as well. The front and the back, there is kind of like a rubber extension to give it a nice snug fit, which is really nice. All in all, I really like it. Time will tell. Keep an eye out. I'll do a full review in several weeks, maybe a month or so. We'll see how it goes. But the more I use it, the more I'll kind of have a better idea on how well this is. But that's pretty much it. This is the Zimablue Tesla Model 3 car cover. So far, I like it. I really enjoy it. Have a beautiful day, guys.